And those who were seen dancing were thought to be insane by those who could not hear the music. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang smart shaming sa Pilipinas at paano ito nakikita ng ibang tao na hindi makaintindi kung ano nga ba ang talino. This is Pinoy Extreme. Let's do this!
This is Pinoy Extreme.
Para sa ibang tao, pag nakita mo yung ginagawa niya, you will think that he's crazy. And marami sa atin, sa Pilipino, yung pag hindi nila maintindihan ng isang bagay, usually, they immediately go to, that person is crazy. That person is insane. Matalino nga, pero baliw naman. We always associate yung pagiging matalino ng isang tao towards something that is mental. And ang mas masakit dito, instead na intindihin or alamin kung bakit nila ginagawa yung isang bagay, since hindi nga nila maintindihan kasi nga hindi maipaliwanag sa kanila nung intelligent person on why they are doing what they are doing. Naalala nyo si Miriam Defensor Santiago? Ang isa sa nickname niya dati is Brenda. Brendamage. Imagine one of our brilliant senators are branded as crazies back then because hindi natin maintindihan yung pinapaliwanag or sinasabi niya. And dahil nga sa sobrang arrogante nating mga Pilipino, instead of actually being or gustuhin nating gumaling katulad ng matatalino, since hindi nga natin kaya or it will be a hard way and ayaw natin ng mahirapan, we tend to just attack the person instead. And ladies and gentlemen, that is where our society, our country will start to decline. Once we shame the people who are smart, who have the capability to bring improvement to our society just because we cannot understand them, then wala nang maggugusto pang mag-improve ng bansa natin because we are shaming the people who can bring changes to our society.